got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
As long as you can provide what they need, what they want, and they will always come back.
Philippine company that is invested in market leading course. Okay. At pag-aaralan na rin pala natin by Uniqlo is one of the business branch of Mr. Henry C.
Ang pagsisikap ay hindi madali yan. Kailangan nito ng disiplina, good practice at hard work. Sumuko na! Madami na akong laban na inarap. Ultimo gera! Implipay! Try again! And challenge is an opportunity.
Henry C., the king of Philippine business.
As long as you can provide what they need, what they want, they will always come back.
Henry C., king of Philippine business.
What's up to all of you? We've got it all for you.
Leaders of Asia crisis, I need back.
Bataan Sinin. Bataan Negosciente. SM Canlis. JM Supermalls. Vlogging is talent.
Favorite team sport ay badminton. Pag naglalaro akong badminton,
Business is investment. Imagination is power.
Hello guys, welcome back sa panibagong video.
action for business.
Got a lot of customers, like one real estate agent. She was so persistent that
And Hari Nun Negocio. Adam Hari Nun Vlogger. The vlogger and the businessman will collaborate for great sales and development. Ninong TV proudly presents another action of learning the businesses of the King of Philippine Business with your Tender Ninong Castro. As Henry C. and a special guest, Andres Belmont A. As JM Canlis. Play it forward. The Henry C. and JM Canlis business and vlog connections in SM Supermalls and discovering Henry C's DX Laser Projection Cinema and WM Cinema and also his directors. Club Cinema businesses in SM Supermalls simulcast on Ninong TV May 2 to 2005.
What's up, all of you? It is your Edward Ninong Castro once again. Welcome to Ninong TV. You're live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers. Yeah. Ngayon po ay live tayo dito sa SM Mall of Asia, the most handsome mall ng Philippines, the biggest mall. Kaya medyo yung ambience natin, medyo matao, medyo maingat. And anyway, this is something great naman dahil nandito tayo sa MOA na may connection sa ating video vlog na gagawin. Dahil ang vlog natin for today is something special. Isang video vlogger at isang businessman na magkakaisa sa isa't isa. At ang title ng vlog natin for today is Play It Forward! The Henry C. and Gabe Catlas, wow! Teka, Henry C. Gabe Catlas magsasama for the first time, wow! Business and vlog connections in SM Supermalls and discovering Henry's DX Laser Projection Cinema and WM Cinema and also his Director's Club Cinema. Businesses in SM Supermalls. Oh! So, something special na talaga dahil isa sa mga 100 plus businesses dito ay ating mag-discover. Especially pagdating sa cinema business because cinema is also been part of business sa kanyang mga naging legacy to give you fun, education, entertainment, and cultural to serve the people and the economy. So, dahil Henry C. and JM to, ano to, hahatiin bang katawan ko dito? Magiging Henry C. Tapos ako magiging JM. No! We have a special guest there pala. Ako pa rin na magro-roll as your Tito Henry kasi meron na akong show nito on our NTV Corporation, the Gentleness Revival vlog special, and under neto nagkaisa ang dalawang vlog department tapos nasa simulator pa tayo, 3-in-1 na yan, diba? And of course, nasa hanay din tayo ng Lolo Pang and Mama's video vlog because we have our, we will have the presences later on ni Daddy Dennis dito. So, ano munang meron dito sa DX Laser Projection Cinema? SM Cinema redefines the premium 3D cinema experience by launching Southeast Asia's first laser projection system at the Asia's first laser projection system at the forefront of Cebu. 6P laser projection system will be used on SM's large format theater entitled SM Large Screen Cinema, almost 30% larger than the regular cinema. So for the first episode na mati-discover po natin dito ay ang tungkol po sa kanya DX Laser Projection Cinema ng Tito Henry. Check it out. Discover about the X Laser. Ngayon naman, anong meron sa WM Cinema ng inyong Tito Henry? Ano ba itong WM na ito? Will na Will. Will Cinema? Alam ko na. Kasi from the word W, Walter Mart ng Tito Henry nyo. Ayan. So, in Walter Mart, the newest chain of digital cinema theaters, operated by the largest cinema exhibit in the country. Oh, WM Cinema of your Tito Henry has been part of Play It Forward. We are educating you the videography, the arts, and the cultural. Diba? Talagang vlogger na rin ang Tito Henry nyo. Play It Forward nga. DX tsaka WM Cinema. You will check it out. Hello, this is your Ninong with Daddy. Nandito kami ngayon sa MOA. Ayan, ang pinakamalaking mall ng Tito Henry nyo at ang pinakapoging mall. Ayan. So this is here in MOA. Because selfie and food trip and fashion. Ayan, so dito kami ngayon sa soccer ball. Makikilaro kami. Makikilaro. Ayos. Dito sa Sky may mga maglalaro na rin. Ayan, SMDC, nakikita yung condo ni Henry SMDC. Ano yan? Shell Residence. Isa sa mga unang condo niya dito sa MOA. Hi, people. Okay, na-discover na po natin ang DX Laser at WM Cinema. Papunta na po tayo sa ating exciting part, no? Ang gaganap na Game Pass. So, meron po tayong nakuwang special guest wala. Pero, syempre, meron pa pala ditong isa na madi-discover. After ng WM Cinema, ay meron naman tayong DX Laser. Meron po tayong tinatawag na Directors Club Cinema. Eh, sino kaya may-ari nito? Kasi director daw eh. Oh, diba? Hulaan muna natin para medyo exciting. Mga director. So, mag-isip tayo ng mga director na artista. Ayan ba si Direk Cathy Garcia?
Hindi!
Pasalan.
Hindi!
Anyo.
Mali! Oh, si Direk Paul Soriano.
OMG!
Mali na naman. Okay, wala na akong maisip na director. Director, Tito Henry C. Tama! Siya po ang may-ari ng Directors Club Cinema. This is under by the SM Cinema. At ito po ang kanyang tunay na meaning. Ano pa lang sino ni Tito Henry? May DX na nga, may WCM Cinema pa. Uy, may IMAX pa siya at saka yung SM Cinema. Tapos may Directors Club pa siya. At ang di pa natin alam, yung SM Lifestyle Corporation, soon na yon. Oh, next time pa yon ha, kasi ang dami talaga business ng TV from what I said. So talaga maraming enjoyment. Kasi kumbaga ito yung pinaka-vlog ni Henry C. Para magbigay ng katuwaan sa mga shoppers, sa mga manonood. So ano nga pang meron sa Directors Club? An intimate and luxurious theater specializing in above personalized service for every movie lover. So you will check it out, the Directors Club.
Come on in, look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
Meron pa tayong isang mapag-aaralan na business ng Tito Henry nyo. At ito, humanda kayo. Dahil yung kanyang mga properties na 100 plus ay meron pa pala at hindi pa natin to napag-aaralan at hindi ko pa to nabanggit sa mga nakaraang videos or slides ng kanyang mga properties. Okay, so for the next episode natin pag-aaralan, dahil dalawa naman ang character natin dito, we have Henry C. and we have Andrew Tan. Ang next na madidiscover natin ay tungkol sa SHDC. Ito ay tinatawag na Summer Hills Home Development Corporation. Sandali, wala pa ako sinasabi kung sino may-ari nun. Summer Hills Home Development Corporation. Oh, diba? Ngayon, huhulaan natin, aside sa dalawa, kung sino bang may-ari nito. Kasi hula ko real estate to. Oo, real estate nga to eh. Kasi development corporation. Mga pabahay at mga lupa. So ang unang hula natin, siya kaya ay si Manny Villar.
Hindi!
Pasalan.
Hindi!
Anyo.
Mali! Sino kaya? Ito, minsan na rin tong gumawa ng real estate eh. Kung hindi si Manny Villar, si Ayala o si Jaime Sobel de Ayala.
OMG!
Mali. Okay, another thing. Kung talagang mali, ang hula ko dyan Gokongwei Jr.
Matapos kitang palakin at talagaan, sana pala itinapon ka na lang namin sa China.
Bah, mali na naman. Ito, final na talaga. Gagamitin natin yung dalawa. Either Andrew Tan or Henry C. Okay. So, hula na natin yung dalawa. Okay. So, kung gusto nyo ihula, malamang Henry C. daw gusto niya. Sige, Henry C. O yan. Ang may-ari ng SHDC ay si Henry C.
Lumipat ka na ba?
Tama! Yehey! My goodness! Ang dami niya talagang properties. 100 plus talaga to. May SHDC siya ngayon. Nakapartner ng SMDC. Wow! Ay, my goodness! How to be you po. Ang dami niya ng negosyo. Wow! Okay. So ngayon natin discover for the first time in Philippine history at sa ating Ninong TV as we celebrate the 4 years ng ating pagpa-vlog, you know? Meron palang inihandang talent portion ng Tito Henry. Oh my goodness! Na hindi natin inakakala. Medyo exciting pa, nakakakaba. Halain nyo sa kanyang 100 years. Ngayon nyo lang to mapapanood at magbibigay ng pasabog sa atin. Meron siyang inihandog na simpleng dance presentation. O Christian, Sherwin, ready ba kayo dito? Sasayawan tayo ng Tito Henry natin. At anong talent ba ito? Ito ba tinikling? May gitara ba siya dito? Sing and dance. So we will play this simple, but I know just for imagination and fun and to revive yung ating greatest Mr. Henry talaga. Okay, so meron siyang inihandang dance. So anong klaseng dance to? Music please!
Here I am all the time, girl, you know me, I must admit, I'm the real one. You look good, can't you see, rather Louis, Louis, Louis. I'm in love, such a freak, she's only looking at me. Only love breaks her heart, rather Louis, Louis, Louis. Only love's paradise, she's only looking at me. Rather Louis, Louis, Louis.
Grabe naman yan! Ang galing pala sumayaw ni Henry C. My goodness, for the first time. Sa mga nanonood ng vlog ko, anong mga talent ni Tito Henry yun? Di ba marunong mag-comedy, mag-speech, magbigay ng tuwa at saya, yung anak niya kumakanta. Ngayon sumasaya. Wow, my goodness, tinalo pa ako ng 100 years. Yung sayaw ko parang kulang pa nga sa practice yun eh. Yung dun sa birthday presentation ko, ito talaga, ito na yung may corona talaga. Ikaw na, nagwagi. Nasa iyo na lahat. Magaling sumayaw, 100 plus. Okay. Christian Sherwin, kakabog ba kayo, ha? Grabing sayawan ka, lupit. One more time, baka Tito Henry.
Here I am all the time, girl, you know me, I must admit, I'm the real one. You look good, can't you see, rather Louis, Louis, Louis. I'm in love, such a freak, she's only looking at me. Only love breaks her heart, rather Louis, Louis, Louis. Only love's paradise, she's only looking at me. Rather Louis, Louis, Louis. She's only looking at me. Only Louis, she's on the corner. Rather Louis, Louis, Louis.
Okay, hanggang doon na lamang po ang ating palatuntunan.
We've got it all for you.
Anyway, when I reach my goal, I move on to shopping mall. With SM shopping mall, people test me. I changed the Philippine lifestyle. Family and friends spend their time together in the malls. they shot 9 in his farm. Whatever age they are and whatever boxes they have. I thought SMCP North Asia was big enough. I was wrong. So I have to make SM Mega more. But even SM Mega more is no longer big enough. So I have to create something even better. It sounds easy, but these projects require good concept, planning, time, hard work, discipline, and attention to details. I'm a hands-on and personalize my management style. I do not think on impulse. I think long and hard for every project. Why I'm not big in words. I'm big and bold in my dreams and vision. My nature, I'm curious and adventurous. I like excitement and change. And now, better ideas, the new and better ideas. I talk for excellence in performance. My basic strategy is to stick to my core business and to the area of expertise. My message is all delicate, retail, tourism, entertainment, shopping center, real estate, and banking. Together, they create synergies.
Okay po, na-discover na po natin ang DXWM Cinema and Directors Club ng iyong Tito Henry. Kaya naman po, madi-discover na po natin si James Canlas to be role and represented by Andres Belmonte. Andres Belmonte is my churchmate and my good friend in the Ayala Mall. So, madi-discover po natin dito si Andres na gaganap as James Canlas, and to discover also ang kanyang vlog legacy, business and services for the people in the economy na hindi lang naman po siya vlogger. Isa din po siyang negosyante, mananayaw, batang sining, and the same time actor. You will check it out on our video vlog.
Hi, my name is Andres Belmonte and my character is James Canlas. James Canlas is a video vlogger of the Philippines, former TMA casting in TMA Active from 2017 to 2021. He's also a young businessman, upman, trophy thought, and serving and helping in people and to politics. He's also a voice actor, dancer, and a TV personality. He youngest brother of Elijah Canley and Jerome Canley. Thank you po. This is Andres Belmonte. My character is James Canlas.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.
May or may not know about me. So, ang unang fact ay, my full name is Jamal Matthew M. Canlas. So, M stands for Maniklu. It's my mother's surname. And now it's her middle name. Is my parents are married? Duh. So, second fact, Jamal is
Na-discover na po natin si JM Canlas through Andres. Thank you, Andres, for your time and cooperation na nag-show. And for this moment, eto na nga po ang pinaka-exciting part. To play it forward, we will discover JM and your Tito Henry will collaborate to give you the vlog, services, education, entertainment, and mga programa na pwede natin ma-discover today. Check it out.
Turn up the lights, taking a bow. It's our time to shine, just look at us now. SM, it's all at SM. Here at SM, we've got it all for you.
At ako si JM! At ito ang Balitang Yay! Hindi tayo nagpahuli sa Comic-Con Asia 2018 na ginanap sa Pasay City.
Dito, nagsasama-sama ang mga creators, experts, at comic fans na katulad namin.
Bumida ang iba't ibang superheroes dito. Pero sikat na sikat din ang mga Pinoy superheroes gaya ni Darna, Captain Barbell, at Plastic Man.
Nakakwentuhan pa namin ang sculptor ng mga astig na statues nila.
Ano ba yung inspiration sa sculpture?
Mahilig akong basa ng comics. So pag gumawa ako ng sculpture, gusto ko lumabas yung action sa comics.
Na-try din namin ang bagong Darna at Plastic Man card game.
Darna!
Isa siyang match 3 game. Ipakonnect mo sila, mas mahaba, mas malakas yung powers.
Kaabang-abang talaga ang event na ito para sa mga comic lovers at mga batang katulad namin.
Hanggang sa susunod nating balitaan! Dahil pag may happy today, naka-report na ganyan sa Balitang Yay!
Anong tawag sa taong pumapalakpak tuwing Christmas?
Ano?
Eddie, Santa Claus!
Downtown, and I got a lot of customers, but one real estate agent, she was so persistent that selling me every time when she buy a pair of shoes, she was selling me a lot. I gave it in to her. That's how the way I moved to Makati.
All the time, girl, you know me, I must admit, I'm the real brother. You look good, can't you see it, brother? Louis, Louis, Louis. I'm in love, such a breeze. She's only looking at me. Only love breaks our heart, brother. Louis, Louis, Louis. Only love's paradise. She's only looking at me. Brother, Louis, Louis, Louis. Oh, she's only looking at me. Oh, let it love me. She's undercover. Brother, Louis, Louis, Louis. Oh, come on, stop it. So leave it, Louis.
Favorite kong sport ay badminton. Pag naglalaro akong badminton, nagiging confident ako sa sarili ko.
Mahilig ako maglaro ng games.
strive to be different from your competitors, be hyper-focused on your core business, pay close attention to your customers' changing needs, don't be discouraged by challenges that will inevitably come your way. From your Henry C, giving you my imagination of great play in business, and thank you also to JM Canlis and the family for trusting my SM Supermalls. God bless you and your family.
Always remember, be the best everyday. Go Team Yay.
From your JM Canlis, giving you my idea of serving the people and its economy, and thank you also to Mr. Henry C and the family for giving us great joy and awesome happiness on your SM. I am always grateful to enter your mall every day with my family. Thank you and God bless you and your family.
Okay, na-discover na po natin si JM at Tito Henry. Wow, that was so fantastic. Na-picture pa yung throwback ko ng mga selfie nila. Diba? That was so, how I miss and how lovely that memory that you discover your Tito Henry and your Kuya JM. Now, syempre, after maging businessman at paisayahin tayo sa kanilang mga programa, ano-ano naman po ang kanilang mga CSR sa taong bayan. Lalong-lalo na nung nabubuhay pa sila sa laman, ano yung mga magaganda at mabubuting gawa na pwede nilang ma-promote at pwede na nilang ma-share at pwede rin matutunan ng bawat isa. You will figure out.
Ligaya, pagkakaisa, sabayang pinagpala, isang dinuduklod ng pag-ibig na dakila. Aral ni Kristo'y ibinabandila. Kristiyano ako, Kristiyano tayo, pagmamahalan natin ang patunay nito. Mga
midst of Asia crisis, I'm embarking on the greatest project of my life, the Mall of Asia.
Okay, thank you for watching and God bless all of us. At dito mo nagtatapos ang ating video vlog na Play It Forward. The Henry C. and James Canlas Business and Vlog Connections in SM Supermalls. And discovering Henry C's DX Laser Projection Cinema and WM Cinema, and also this Directors Club Cinema businesses in SM Supermalls. Maraming salamat po sa mga nanood. Subscribe din ng TV and buy this video vlog for only 115.80 pesos per screen record. Once again, I'm live here in SM MOA. Sakto, Daddy! Ayan, ayun si Daddy. Nakabili na. We are live here.
As long as you can provide what they need, what they want, they will always come back.
Henry C. Kingoff, Philippine Business.
Come on in, look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
As long as you can provide what they need, what they want, and they will always come back.
Philippine company that is invested in market-leading course. Okay. At pag-aaralan natin pala natin by Uniqlo is one of the business branch of Mr. Henry C.
Ang pagsasama ay hindi madali yan. Kailangan nito ng disiplina, good practice at hard work. Sumako ka na! Madami na akong laban na inarap. Ultimo gyera! If you pray, you will be discouraged. Try again, and challenge is an opportunity.
Henry C., the king of Philippine business.